In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate a document in WPS Office Mobile. First, open the WPS Office app on your mobile device and load the document you want to translate. This could be a file you've already saved locally or one you've opened from cloud storage. Give the document a moment to render fully, especially if it contains images, tables, or special formatting. Minor layout shifts during translation are normal, so don't worry if things move slightly later on. Next, look toward the bottom of the screen for the toolbar. Depending on your version and layout, you'll either see a button labeled Tools or one labeled Menu. Tap that. If your interface is compact, you might need to swipe the toolbar left or right to reveal more options. Inside that menu, find the translation feature. The wording varies by app version or plan, so it may appear as Translate, AI Translate, or Document Translation. If you don't immediately see it, try the search field within the menu or check any AI-related section. Still not there? Make sure your app is up to date and that you're signed in, since some features may require the latest version or a specific plan. Once you're in the translation tool, confirm the language of your original document if the app asks for it. WPS Office often detects this automatically, but it's worth verifying. If the detected language is incorrect, correct it now to improve accuracy, then choose the language you want to translate into. Consider any regional variants if both are offered, and remember that right-to-left languages may slightly change layout or alignment. Tap Translate and give WPS Office time to process. Keep the app open while it works. The time this takes depends on your connection and the size of the document. Larger files with complex formatting may take a bit longer. When the translation appears, read through it carefully. Machine translation is a strong starting point, but it benefits from a quick human review. Check names, technical terms, and any industry-specific phrases. If something doesn't read naturally, adjust the wording right in the document. Also scan for formatting quirks like spacing around headings or captions and fix those as needed. Finally, save your results. Tap Save to keep the translated document in your WPS workspace or choose Export if you want to share it as a different file type, like a Word document or PDF. Give the file a clear name so you don't overwrite the original, and confirm the destination folder or cloud location. That's it. You've translated your document in WPS Office Mobile, reviewed it for clarity, and saved a clean copy ready to share.